Hello student, today we will solve the numericals from the first chapter light 1. That is the mirror formula. Is it clear? From the mirror formula we will solve. So we have question: a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter is placed 50 centimeter from a wall. How far from the wall an object be placed to form its real image on the wall? Now we can see that we have a concave spherical mirror, and this is the pole, and this is the focus, and center of curvature will inside here, but here is condition that the focal length is mentioned, focal length and the wall distance from the pole is also given. So suppose that this is the wall, this is the wall, you can see this is the walls, and that is the mirror, mirror, and this is the principal axis. The distance, or we can say this is the focal length is given 20 centimeter. This is the total distance, wall and the mirror is mentioned, that is the 50 centimeter. But condition is that at what distance the object should be placed, and then the image will form on the mirror. So you know that suppose the object AB, this is the object AB is the object which is placed on the principal axis, and its image is forms here A dash B dash, that is the image, which forms on the wall. We have to calculate the distance, but what is mentioned here? Here is given focal length f equal to 20 centimeters, but we know that there is the sign convention. What is the sign convention? Sign conventions, we take the signs, the distance measured towards the ray of light is taken as positive, against the light is taken as negative. But first condition is that all the distance measured from its pole. So on that case, here will be focal length negative, and another we have also image distance is mentioned, that because image distance, that is the v equal to 50 centimeters, and that will be also negative. And we have assumed that the distance between this object and the wall is x. X is the distance, and this is the object distance from the mirror is u. According to mirror formula, from mirror formula, what we can write? Mirror formula, we have 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. First you calculate the value of this object distance. Now we can substitute here, or we can write 1 by u equal to 1 by f minus 1 by v. Can we write here? Now we can put the value. We have value of f and v, so we can substitute here. 1 by u equal to 1 by minus 20 minus, and here will be 1 by the v minus 50. We can solve this. So here will be 1 by u equal to minus 1 by 20, and minus here will be plus 1 by 50. Now can we take the LCM here? If we will take the LCM, so 1 by u equal to, here will be LCM 100. So 100 here will be minus, divide this one, 100 by 20. So here will be 5. 5 plus 100 divided by 50. So you will write here 2. When 1 by u equal to, you can subtract this one, so here will be minus 3 by 100, and now we can reverse this one, so here will be u equal to 100 by minus 3, and now we can divide this one 100 by 3, so we will get here u equal to minus 33.33, like that. Its unit will centimeters. So we got the value of u, that is u equal to 33.3, it will be minus centimeter. Now we have to calculate the value of x. How you will calculate the value of x? Since we know that x equal to, we have the value, okay, x value. If you want to find out, then what you have to do? Okay, x equal to, can we write total distance? We have 50. Now since we know that the total distance is 50, so you can write here x equal to, we can subtract here 50 minus, but the image here will be this, because total distance you have to find out, no? So you can write here mod of, okay, this minus 33.3, this you can write minus in brackets, subtract this one. Here will be x equal to 50 minus minus plus 33.3, or x equal to, here will be 3.353, 83.3 centimeter. This will be the value of x here. Okay, means the distance of image from the pole is 83. Okay, this will be now from the pole, what will be? You have to take out here. See that if you will take the mod sign, but you know that's the mod signs, it will be always positive. Yes, so here will be minus, and in case of that, what you will, you have to subtract out. So you can write here, what you will write, subtract this one, 10, 3, here will be 7, okay, 9, 3, 6 and 16 point, this value will be, here will be x equal to 16.7, okay, centimeter. Total will, this total will 50. Now if you want to find out this one, then we can subtract this one. Okay, so students, so you can write this one. Okay, thank you.